Hello students, I am Tamanna Parekh. I am an assistant professor at Sona Devi Setiya Girls PG College, Sujangarh. Student, today we are going to discuss about your syllabus as prescribed by MGSU. This is your EFM syllabus. It contains two papers. Business Economics is your first paper. There will be 5 units. In unit first, there is Introduction of Business Economics, meaning and definition of business economics, its role in business decisions, business forecasting, meaning, importance and methods, statistic and dynamic economics, micro and macroeconomics, the economic problem and functions of economic system. In second unit, there is consumption, which contains traditional theory of consumer equilibrium, demand and law of demand, elasticity of demand, its measurement and uses of the concept of elasticity of demand, indifference curve, meaning, characteristics, consumer's equilibrium, income effect, price effect, substitution effect, derivation of demand curve from indifference curve. Third unit, production, production function, laws of returns, ISO, product curve, least cost combination of factors, return to scale, cost concepts and classifications, importance of costs in decision making, cost function in short run and long run, law of supply and elasticity of supply, capital formation and theories of population. Fourth unit, exchange, general theory of value changes in the demand and supply and their effects on equilibrium price, time element in price determination, market meaning, definition and classification, revenue analysis, price and output determination, under perfect competition, imperfect competition, monopolistic competition, monopoly, discriminating monopoly and oligopoly. Your last unit, fifth, contains distribution, marginal productivity theory of distribution, theories of rent, wages, interest and profit, national income, basic concept, measurement, national income and economic welfare. The books recommended are as follows. You can take the screenshot of it. Now your paper second, which is economic environment in India. This will also contain 5 units. Unit first, economic environment is there, meaning factors affecting economic environment, basic features of Indian economy, impact of economic reforms on Indian economy, economic planning, meaning, importance and objectives, main features of Indian planning with special reference to 10th, 11th and 12th 5-year plan. Then comes your second unit, population, characteristics, causes of growth, new population policy, major problems of Indian economy, unemployment, poverty and disparity of the income and wealth, economic growth and development, meaning, measurement and determinants. In third unit, agriculture and small scale industries, role of agriculture in Indian economy, land reforms, new agricultural strategy and green revolution, agricultural credit, agricultural productivity in India, World Trade Organization and Indian agriculture, small scale industries, meaning, importance, problems and remedial measures, industrial policy and recent changes, entrepreneurship and entrepreneur, meaning, definition, features, functions and types. Now comes your fourth unit, foreign trade of India, volume, composition and direction, export promotion, investment of foreign capital in India, role of multinational corporation in Indian economy, role of public sector in India and its problems. Last unit of your second paper, unit 5, economy of Rajasthan, basic characteristics of economy of Rajasthan, development and prospects of agriculture, small scale industries and handicrafts, dairy development program and tourism development in Rajasthan, constraints in economic development of Rajasthan and remedies. Now the book recommended for your second paper are as follows. You can also take the screenshot of it. Thank you.